In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Messenger calls. We'll walk through how to place a voice call on a computer, using Messenger in a simple, no-stress way. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to do if your microphone needs permission. First, open Messenger on your computer. You can do this in one of two places. Go directly to messenger.com or open Messenger inside facebook.com. Both options lead to the same messaging experience, so choose whichever you prefer or already have open. Give your browser a moment to load everything, especially if it's the first time you've opened Messenger in a while. Once Messenger is open, look through your list of conversations and click the chat with the person you want to call. You'll typically see recent chats along the left side, and when you select one, the conversation opens in the main panel. This ensures you're in the right spot and ready to start the call with that specific contact. At the top right of the conversation window, you'll see a phone icon. That's the button for voice calls. Click the phone icon to start a voice call. When you do, Messenger will begin ringing the other person. On your end, you'll see a small call interface appear. This is where you can mute your microphone, adjust your audio source if needed, and end the call when you're finished. If the person answers, you'll hear them right away. If this is your first call from your browser, or you haven't granted access before, your microphone may ask for permission. A small pop-up from your browser will appear, usually near the address bar, asking if Messenger can use your microphone. Click Allow. This is essential. Without permission, the other person won't hear you. If you accidentally blocked it, look for a small icon near the address bar to reopen site settings and switch the microphone permission to Allow. Then try the call again. For the best experience, make sure your computer's volume is up and your microphone isn't muted at the system level. Headphones or a dedicated mic can help reduce background noise, but your computer's built-in mic will work fine too. A stable internet connection also helps keep your audio clear. That's all there is to it. Open Messenger. Choose the conversation, click the phone icon, and allow your microphone when prompted. You're ready to make voice calls on Messenger from your computer with confidence.